Welcome or welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're preparing some nice appetizer perfect for Valentine date that's coming up. Yes, and they are crab rangoon, ragoon, depending on your pronunciation. So just keep on watching. Okay, guys, for our starting ingredients, we need some imitation crab stick. I normally use imitation crab meat, yes, and I need green scallion, fresh green scallion, my cream cheese, and the first step we're going to do is remove the amount that we'll be using from the package and return it back to the freezer. Rinse these and shred and mince finely. Then we come back for the other steps. Just keep on watching, guys. I want to take the time out to thank all my supporters for all the support. Really appreciate you guys a lot. First time coming on board, welcome. Just tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. So just keep on watching, guys.
When all I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need.
Okay, guys, here I have some homemade wonton sheets that I already made. Video of that coming up soon. And to season our crab meat, we need garlic powder, a pinch of salt, a bit of sugar, Worcestershire sauce, light soy sauce, and our cream cheese, and we're going to mix those together until we get a nice creamy texture. Then we move on to the next step.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you, not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
Moving on, guys. That's creamy enough. Here's our wonton sheets. Yes. And I'm just going to put about a tablespoon of filling on each wonton sheets. And the edge, as you see me do, I am adding water so they can stick. And the folding process, guys, please watch because it's more of a watch and learn than me explaining, but it's like after shaping then you end up with a nice closed envelope shape. Okay, and I'll try to slow it down so you can see what I'm talking about, so just keep on watching.
Night, love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
Okay guys, hope you guys catch what I'm talking about. So now we're heading over to frying, and here's all my wontons already filled and fold. So now we're going to fry these until they are golden brown on each sides, and we remove after frying and continue with the others. So just keep on watching, guys. And a quick tip, when your oil is already heated, please lower the flame to medium so they don't burn. So, and keep an eye on them and flip them during the frying process. And we're going to serve these with some sweet chili sauce, and this for me is a perfect Valentine date night appetizer. Yes, so tell me if you guys enjoy it and if you guys will test it out. These were very delicious. Yes, these are ready now, so we're going to take them out. And here is our finished products, looking all yummy. And yes, they were. Yes, so hope you guys enjoy this one, and thanks again for all the faithful supporters and newcomers that come in on board. I really appreciate you guys a lot. And for those that just stopped by my channel for the first time by accident, not, yes, please tap the subscribe button, join the family by tapping the notification bell, and do check out my Yummylicious playlist. If you're a foodie, you will definitely enjoy that one. And if you love what you're seeing so far in my channel, guys, please check out my channel membership. Yes, we have a channel membership. Check that out, support your girl, and just keep the support coming. I really appreciate you guys a lot. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.